In the world of electronics and electrical work, a multimeter is an indispensable tool that every aspiring technician, hobbyist, or DIY enthusiast must have. Whether you're just starting your journey into the fascinating realm of electronics or seeking a reliable upgrade, finding the best multimeter for beginners can be a daunting task. With a wide range of options available on the market, it's essential to invest in a tool that strikes the perfect balance between functionality, ease of use, and affordability. In this comprehensive guide, we present you with the ultimate solution to your multimeter quest. We have carefully analyzed and assessed various models, taking into consideration their features, accuracy, user-friendliness, and value for money. Whether you're a budding electronics enthusiast, an engineering student, or someone who loves fixing things around the house, this guide is tailored to help you make an informed decision. 5 Ideal Industries Incorporated 61 to 744 clamp. The Ideal 61 to 744 clamp meter is a no-frills yet capable tool suitable for home users, casual DIYers, and multimeter novices. It features a non-contact voltage detector, ensuring safety when dealing with live wires, and auto-ranging technology, making it easy to test various metrics without prior knowledge. The compact LCD screen includes a low battery indicator and an auto shut-off feature to save battery life. With functions for testing voltage, current, continuity, capacitance, and resistance, the meter covers all basic consumer-grade clamp meter needs. Its wide jaw opening of 1.5 inches allows for versatile usage. Manufactured by Ideal Industries Incorporated, a US-based brand with a long history in electric investigating tools, the 61 to 744 is the entry-level model in its 600-volt multimeter category. While lacking some advanced features, it offers straightforward operation and a Cat 3 safety rating, making it a reliable choice for many users. 4 Klein Tools CL320 Kit HVAC. The Klein Tools CL320 Kit HVAC Starter Kit is a comprehensive package that includes essential tools for HVAC professionals. The kit comprises the CL320 Auto Ranging, TRMS HVAC Clamp Meter, the IR07 Dual IR and Probe Thermometer for surface and air temperature measurements, and the NCVTEP Dual Range Non-Contact Voltage Tester with a flashlight. The kit also comes with a convenient carrying pouch, test leads with Cat 3/Cat 4 safety caps, a thermocouple, and all required batteries. This versatile and reliable kit is designed to assist HVAC technicians in their daily tasks and ensure accurate measurements and voltage detection. 3 Klein Tools MM400 Multimeter. The Klein Tools MM400 is a lower-budget auto-ranging multimeter designed for both residential and commercial use. It offers essential functions and test ranges, including voltage up to 600 volts, AC/DC, amperage up to 10A, AC/DC, resistance up to 40 megaohms, and temperature measurements in Fahrenheit/Celsius. The multimeter is compact and durable, with a rugged rubber holster and a flip-out stand. It includes a backlit display, max per minute function, data hold, auto shut-off, and 2 fuses for protection. While it may not have all the advanced features of higher-priced meters, it provides reliable performance for tasks in light industry and general electrical testing. 2 Klein Tools CL390 Digital Clamp Meter. The Klein Tools CL390 is an AC/DC digital clamp meter with auto-ranging capability and a maximum current measurement of 400 amps. It features a test lead holder on the side of the clamp and an integrated non-contact voltage tester. The meter has a high-visibility reverse contrast LCD display for easy reading in various lighting conditions. It utilizes true root mean squared, TRMS, measurement technology for accurate readings. The CL390 can measure AC/DC current and NCVT, non-contact voltage tester, via the clamp, as well as AC/DC voltage, resistance, frequency, DC microamps, capacitance, duty cycle, diode test, and continuity using the test leads. It also comes with a K-type thermocouple probe for temperature measurement. The meter offers max per minute, rel/0. 1 Fluke 117-323 Kit Multimeter. The Fluke 323 is a reliable and accurate clamp meter cum multimeter with basic functionality. It can measure current, voltage, AC/DC, resistance, and perform continuity checks. It is designed for general commercial and residential electrical troubleshooting and performs well in tight spaces. With a maximum AC current measurement of 400 A, it is suitable for general-purpose testing. The True RMS feature ensures accurate AC measurements even with distorted waveforms. The meter has a durable build and a slim, ergonomic design, making it easy to handle. It comes with test leads, batteries, and a carry pouch. The Fluke 323 lacks advanced features like min/max mode and temperature input, but is a practical tool for everyday maintenance situations. After extensive research and analysis, it is evident that the XYZ multimeter is the best choice for beginners. Its user-friendly interface, reliable performance, and affordability make it stand out among its competitors. The XYZ multimeter's intuitive design and clear display make it easy for beginners to use and understand. Its user-friendly features, such as auto-ranging and a straightforward dial selector, ensure that even those with limited technical knowledge can operate it effectively. Furthermore, this multimeter offers accurate readings across a wide range of measurements, including voltage, current, resistance, and continuity. Its reliability and precision are crucial for beginners who need to build a solid foundation in electronics and electrical troubleshooting. The affordability of the XYZ multimeter is another key advantage, making it an excellent entry-level option for those just starting their journey in electronics or DIY projects. Despite its budget-friendly price, it doesn't compromise on quality or essential functionalities.